Ajigon, mammy, you didn't come over Ivobo. Ajigon. The center cannot hold. Tell me. The center cannot hold. And Fifina Breki. A mamuano Ajigon. 2 cabinet ministers. Agra? Cabinet ministers.
Hey.
And yeah, ordinary ministers, so yeah, what cabinet or her. Tony Naka home.
A tumpine
And Omuku.
Cheniakasa.
There is a fire on the mountain.
Hey.
Young Crano. There is a fire on the mountain. Run. There is a fire on the mountain. Run. Yeah, you didn't go with the better. Monkosu ni se hunu ne nkwase asem no ya ne mo betra kroma pepepe ya nkra ne ye almost there is a fire on the mountain run ye adwane oboa yenko
ne ka na da hodo
finance minister tien komana me no udi no o say agric ministry budget allocation ye ka budget allocation Ghana Konhumeska no ya de ministry sector by sector obi anye ne de na Ghana nko animu Deputy Finance Minister Honorable Thomas Nyako was say yama agric ministry no 85% of their budget allocation till amamo 1.677 billion Ghana cedis. Erikopoku say yomuboa. Finance minister woboa. Wodi ntro. Na den tia wo kodi ntro abonten sa. Payini. Wo ya finance minister payini. Aden tia kokraba ya payini. Aden tia wodi ntro sa. Aye bisi basa.
Washe.
Na de twemi. Me no bedi nkomo no. Mame nkọ na me ne Dr. Boache Michael, where special aid to Honorable Eric Opoku, Agric Minister, the special aid. Meneni ni komo na membra. Doc, what you came wajo?
Pacho mejoso.
Dr. Pacho bibi aboko de.
And you made in fact, make a shanya boko, but any day my men correct statement bia o make ya sana ya tonko modidi. So Pacho uti.
Me Pacho me tie.
Me Ghana ni ba se be ya wo me o san correct.
We are sound
and then the pastor and then Deputy Finance Minister of Ghana who said during World Bank engagement we say okan sema wo meaning die mu no me feel say e intro and I call the official page of Minister of Finance Ghana e ka tell say intro na why then work at we say me person me make this preamble say I make knowledge the documents. Say asana wakane intro. They are not the words of the minister. It is me as a Ghanaian, a responsible young man, challenging himself.
Right, me that say a Ghana finance minister deputy wakaya afa agric ministry. Aya yenua be ma Erikopoku ho a intro.
Okay. Me bie manona ma tia wotiefo nyina ne Ghana man. On say amemu no the act of governance no structures na agro bi so ase wo di a e wo se wo ma no kore ene o man ne doye den edi wanimu kan na anwumei medane me kasa no brofo ene twikra on the 15th of February 2026 and a Minister of Finance issue commitment authorization to the Minister of Food and Agriculture Honorable Erikopoku and a minister e sector ho committing the ministry to a contract sum of 775 million. But who tell me pa?
Meet you.
Hello.
Acho meet you.
Enti was it can buy on the 15th no? For whatever reason, 19th of February, 4 days interval. And a castle at 2 points. Why Ghana? For to some funds, I declare bar minister, minister, and say. Let's say now we can buy and there be one kind of year. Now a chair sign, HM. Now we instructing ministry ni say, in the first quarter no, ultimately spend it beyond 4.5 million. And by extension, no, sir, first let me buy no one nullify no. And you may be better allocations a bar ministry or any expenditure alcohol that is invalidating the 85% claim of the deputy finance minister. Then again, the deputy finance minister is not any ordinary person. Worst case scenario, he is in his second or third term as an MP, and he is coming from a house of record, the handler to be precise. So for him to be reading from a document which is turning out to be lines to denigrate a senior member of the party who has served this nation at this level, no, there are two things involved. It's either he was peddling blatant falsehood as a propaganda, right, for their personal interest.
Doctor Daruma, for the sake of our listeners, now the tree name Frafra Kakrama me wada Roma. Sankori need.
Yeah, no, me, yeah, no, gentia me call more. Na it's either say oh group any anymore say na amakwasa me say wo hwe video na e go rounds na wo say ya yewura honorable Rikopoku eye nanim no papa ne ye pani a wasom yewura John Dramani Mahama ye papa na obia wonim papa ni bia no, and I'm quoting second honorable Afenyo say if there is a single man in the chamber who speak with records honorable Rikopoku. So if I am coming out to defend the man's integrity, I know that we're a national asset. And you know, me person me Ghana man na who say and some na deputy finance minister can and I will prove to you with records. And you know, make comment to me.
Me bacho my enya records no, the wu gina so basis I would say intro.
107.3.
So would you mind if I share with you or as you proceed from my end? So that you can be following what I'll be discussing with you.
Maybe chobe timi akasa na yetiun kakra wada Roma. Na wudi twi no wada Roma.
Okay. Enti Talent and buyer have nullify the first issue statement within 4 days, no. The first quarter, Ukomofa, or more expenses within the first quarter, no. They were asked not to go above the ceiling of 4.5 million, no matter the contingency upon which the ministry will find itself, according to Kessel Atoforsen. Will be any problem. And the Okomofa headquarters, any agencies, with all the other sectors now, or more expenditure was around 98 million. They were to build 50 farmer centers, and no expenses was somewhere 1.7 million. And Kukon Kitenkete to help, reduce our import bill on poultry was somewhere 3.6. Fertilizer and then certified seeds was somewhere 77 million. Feed Ghana, they were going to commit 12 million entirely. National buffer stock was somewhere 30 million. And then irrigation infrastructure was 26 million.
Maybe Feed Ghana, no, now you're saying
Feed Ghana was 12 million.
Okay.
And to say, okay, even first quarter, Krano Boma, it's somewhere around 553. But you tell me,
maybe I told me to pa.
Then again, Oko second quarter, no, the same MOFA headquarters and agencies, no. There was an increase because employment went on there. It was around 102.
Maybe I told where your first quarter of 2025 and first quarter of 2026.
Where your first quarter of 2025.
Okay. Me too.
But can I go ahead?
Me patron.
And to say over sir, expenses now boom now. It comes nowhere near the 1.6 million the deputy is talking about. So to release 85% when you are yet to even present a media budget, no, what are you seeking to achieve with that statement? What are you seeking to achieve? Because these are records I just said on my Facebook wall. Discerning minds, Ghanaians can read and understand the reality. So is it a case that somebody want to frustrate other sector ministers? Somebody want to disgrace Rikopoku as a person who has a family, and then somebody wants to incite farmers against Rikopoku, or what are we doing to ourselves as a party and then a nation? So clearly, we are challenging the deputy finance minister to come out because it was a meeting with World Bank to come and debunk the claim that we are saying that the Minister of Food and Agriculture, as I talk this evening, has not received 85% of what they are saying. And everything that they said during that moment is falsehood. And we will not let it stand until the facts are out for the entire Ghanaian population to know, say, who is against government and who is for government.
Right,
that's our contention now.
Budget allocation was na wokan. And it's a 85% allocation no sign and what receive.
As a matter of fact, I can say categorically, but say Otemenka.
Metonka pa Ghana 40.
Yes, the records and the knowledge and education I have, I can say not even half of the year's allocation has been released to MOFA. And I repeat, I am stating categorically that not even half of MOFA's year's allocation has been released. And the details have been shared on my Facebook wall. You all can go and read. And you are in the middle of the year, you have not even released half, and you talk of 85%, my brother.
But why do you think a deputy finance minister will come out because we are brain? That
is why I am also demanding answers. You remember my earlier interview, I gave you the charge that we must demand answers. When you go to my Facebook page, I was asking them, today is the minister's birthday, right? The most remarkable and the best birthday they can give to Honorable Rikopoku is for them to come and say, oh, it was a mistake, an error in communication, which of course it all happens. But their silence for the past 3 days means that deliberately, in my understanding, it's a ploy to instigate the innocent Ghanaian farmer against Honorable Rikopoku, and it is falsehood. And we are challenging them, and we will keep pressing until they come either to apologize and then make the facts bear. All we are seeking for is integrity. I'm being honest with you. And in politics, when you read the 48 laws of power, it talks about what? Your reputation. As every leader, you have to fight your reputation with all that you have. Immediately it slips. That's the end of you. It forms the cornerstone upon which you are established. And this is a man. NDC, everybody knows the work of Rikopoku. Remind you, beginning Afenyo's tenure, and when he was ended, and I quote him, Afenyo said, I was always listening to Honorable Rikopoku. This is a man who will punch you with the fact. I have been at Parliament all these years, and I know the work my boss have done. So we are not going to relent for anybody, for whosoever interest is seeking to denigrate him. We are seeking for the truth. The deputy minister must come to apologize, or we chase them with the fact for the entire Ghanaian to know who is against the JDM 2.2 reset.
Right, that means me to asia a Buapayesa finance ministry no person mugu Rikopoku animasi.
Ebo na sabeta franchise na Buapaya o kasawe na ukodu fie na at least ya target one na wate as an MP you are working in the House of Records. Na se wonti me meka say oh anofum so na waye din a what do you seek to achieve? Me busa me bla pani. Tenya Buapaya e dey enti na waye din no. At least anka a day after no beka say oh from so na me ye. But now no say obi abeka bibi me busa oh. Enti mum pia deputy finance minister. Mum pia no mutane say say na ye kan na etisen na o magana fo hu no kware no. Anya sa dia it's going to be a problem because some of us, right, we will put our identities, our lives to protect the integrity of Honorable Rikopoku. Yes.
Right, Doc. Mamina say, Namin Fancy, and the Deputy Finance Minister, why in trouble by what you are saying?
Of course, why in trouble the Pabonini Asabe, the excess of practice in Parliament as a House of Record, no, one fan idea. Now, Adia Yamponi said, with senior colleague, and then a birthday. It is only be the man in advance here. In the middle of global leaders, my brother, why are we doing this to ourselves? And I pray from this day, may we not bite our fingers tomorrow.
Dr. Bachi Michael, may I say, and then you for your time. Right, ma, yani Ghana for any come on, Akraba, I just gonna pepe, studio Mumpenium. Mumpenium computers and so. Ya cross it, radio station and Yunguzo, ya can't know my ball, gram near car. Yes, I got some penum na sasra. What left no, the namphone no susa, jai penum, ajigon.
Ewurade Nyankopon.
Ajigon, unyanyai. And I'm in for manonto. Oh, hear me voice at the tune.
Wash.
And your captain smart. And your kwame din grama control reduce out to you.
My grenade the whole clear, man, no man, no machine, my grenade the whole.
When the gun of food in como.
O can we know one just yet? I want a headache.
Me bacho ajigon in NDC.
But I mean, so.
Ajigon our memoanum, the center cannot hold.
But I mean, so.
We are gonna yet hear me. The center cannot hold.
But I mean, so.
2 cabinet ministers. They are fighting. And Tokwa. Zemhunu nkwasiasam. 2 cabinet ministers. And Omudie. The question is, why na cannot cry Ghana for? Why na didn't trust Ghana for? Is it the Greek minister or the deputy finance minister? Bakraba, the deputy finance minister, Honorable Thomas Nyako Ampim, already yakra, omubwa, to force him. And ya Honorable Ampim, the Ojai, deputy saying. And yet there are 2 force and there suman war because we're a deputy.
Sir.
Who deputy obia akwa 110 wura.
Sir.
Akrabate akwa 110 wura.
Jenia kasa.
Enti de ni wura beka no ana obeye.
The can that hodo.
Enti ni wura no na ama ne figure no ana ode aba bonten sa a Greek ministry no yama budget allocation almost 85%.
Ewurade Nyankopon.
Nipa ya okasa ye he enkasa otene ba bi no ka eye erikopoku the Greek minister
Jenia kasa.
and I warranty omo so omra bonte meka se nye nokre.
Sir.
Enti erikopoku say sa 85% budget allocation sika ye dia ma mofa no Ministry of Food and Agriculture no was omo boa
say anya hote ban e bi ni mpansa
wonya mu half kra and what check akraba ye tumre ni akyeresie sika kwa Ministry of Food and Agriculture only 55.2%. 55.2%. 85 no a sabe deputy finance minister wa baba ntembe kan ye no na wo kasa wo kan sen wo kasa yen kasa bibia ye kama e wo Ghana na no wonder enter finance ministry no omudi semhunu wo no
Ewurade Nyankopon.
no wonder enter first year under John Dramani Mahama and the NDC oh we are kama Petra Bafom we are ye massage no ma ye dim tro dim kwasiasam
Ewurade Nyankopon.
Omo taking Ghanaians for granted. There is a fire on the mountain. Amamo wemuno Johnny. There is a fire on the mountain, but we are not going to run.
107.3.
Asase ponono. We are not going to run. Yanko, Yankrania Jimmy. There is a fire on the mountain. Run here to Mirika. Yan to Mirika bio. Yabeka no crachremo. Munya Samunidi. 2 cabinet ministers. Do you know a cabinet minister? You can't be a cabinet minister. What you say? Money as someone yene. Mum Ghana. Na Ghana nkonkan. Na mo twam ho na mo kuna mudi ntro. Say meboa. Say boa. Nkwasia some way ni ate ho wo krom ha. Under NDC. Ni ato abama somebody some hunu way. Akrama yanto abama NDC somebody some hunu way.
The can that hodo.
Baby ese sika kono momfa nko minister ho wonsom wonfa nya adwuma akuafo ho ntomo ana okota chima akuafo su
The can that hodo.
asante achima gogo akuafo su
107.3.
goso erikopoku wonim goso pa goso bode fo su because the sector minister erikopoku no sika ne nko no ho finance minister Onyamampanyi no bedi. Erikopoku onyamampanyi no bedi. Asedu nkatia nyamampanyi na obedi. Julius Dabre nyamampanyi no bedi. Entia memfa sika ma sector. Sane be ya obe shine. Sanse hunu ne ete ho. Da ordinary Ghanaian no wa fasade we ho ben. Akwaba, the ordinary general on the street, wa fa mu position na mo pe no be. Wa se mo fix country no kwali mu. And I'm to na ho no.
Bre ye ninka so.
Manim guase na start buboba no.
Bre ye ninka so. Why? And then when you to me, nti mo fanya de mo pe.
Na me titi se, na entiari kopoku koka. Na wonka san.
Way boy.
Hey, wonka na me gina me Jimmy for. Sa juma me ye microphone ya, console ya. No one so me bono hene. Me gina na me nkasa. Na me portrait se bibia ye. Anya.
Ewurade Nyankopɔn.
Meka wi ma dia mekɔ. Arikopoku waka.
Oh, the whole bed, the whole.
Ni sika nkoye, muntwia ni sika ma no, no mfanya adwuma, na munya sansem hunu na muji no.
I ask you to be citizen.
And Tony asane ya doso. Ntro ni asano e ya doso. Na kwaba sa wotiri mponye na adwene wo timi ya bone a, tambia no pie de wachi o.
Jenia kasa.
Empie ye.
Anabujo mama.
Debe pie no, e pie se bam. Ghana fosu no man koye and anya rikopoku nko awo probably ya was sectors be ministry bi wo ha sika nko omuntimi nka no krenkyereo and the antia the beba ma finance minister wo be na dwene se o ma sika nko ne se sika no ko outa inflation ebe kosoro e kosoro meka se finance minister no onya adwuma yie finance minister no so nyama mpanyi no obedi Ahama. The entire make us on Yamampeno obedi say, will be a copra or police more on IGP obedi. Abraba, will be a copra. Police more Jina Kwan, yes, Jina. Oh, IGP obedi.
The mabani on Jene Kwafomo.
Ah, why na copra or police more on IGP only?
Numbum the mabani did.
Nanti, I took force and no one Yamampano obedi.
Numbum the mabani did. Need 3 years and dodo.
And to my first can good demo. None woman yina. Men first can kwa bonten na normal say ni akasa me ato force ma say no ma your presidential ambition enti sikali njina hey munka da mu ato is forcing but not sector by sector ministries so far sansem hu we ne eto and yanim nipa wa tia san krofo me nu we cabinet ministers no ye hu nipa wa tia
Jenia kasa.
the center cannot hold
say anya wote ba na ebi ni mpansa
ne onu bi wo your anchor hold anchor no abubu it can't hold
Etumpan.
Ne ka na da ho no.
omo kire anum bi wo your anchor hold anchor no aban anchor no abu and then na erikopoku wa board ababo ntia beka omo kana erikopoku oti o deputy finance minister no one kana erikopoku oti ho na ohwe nanim mamuna wontimi nka se papa boa sabi erikopoku a kameka che say hey pause there oboa but nana erikopoku wa kwasha amanfo achi mo ba out meka say deputy finance minister oboa wonya kana ni a enkrofo a yede o man na so mo nsa no mu nie omu picture na matwa akere no omu video na me de akere no sa no mote ntoro ne nada ene omu ho o enyo omu ne MPP omu a NDC fo no omu ho my mama will say boa o ma mi say ti no man koyi a it means by extension the Ministry of Food and Agriculture omu kan say finance ministry no sika ese yede ma sector by sector ministries no mo ye adwuma no sika ne nko
ato forcing
agora bobio nko bobio
it is the same ato forcing ato is it the same you is it ato forcing ato
is the same ato
ato forcing
is the same ato is ato you can't change ato to become ato eno manye atro ne nada trekese akoba na watching somebody
Sure.
Memre ya so ma
Jenia kasa.
ba unza mo signal me say
say anya wote ba na ebi ni mpansa
akasi ma no nso
say anya wote ba na ebi ni mpansa
akoba ne yire no opentema kwa na yire fie facha me.
Omo de oma bon na ye kasa omo nt.
Na what twin BOG Bank of Ghana. Me ba chotre be afa bi yesterday. Fa bi yesterday. BOG. E ho nsam bobo bai. Bank of Ghana building. Ato force in the same ato force in the finance minister. Suggested BB. Edema BOG for Bank of Ghana for.
Me need time to waste.
Sir, I want to know about so na omu hu di omu nya omu option. And the whole finance minister, the option they say BOG building no efe MPP abaye ne fe eh come on. Amoto benye ska amokoton. Asunafo no finances out. Asunafo no mrasabedwani tibongo so MP.
Hwenia kasa.
Wabon onim de ekoso. Waba out the betu dwa say na oman economy ne nye but finance minister say economy ne yewu. Wasi economy ne nye na ye wosa de fefefe mumdum. Esi wa ye ton abone be ne aye. Ye nton
Omo de oma bon na ye kasa omo nt.
destroyers. Apamsafo NDC fo. Ekona abusuafo ade pa bia ye Ghana dia mo mpe.
Wa she.
Mo de an say yenton yenni wayomi o gangan tuo woncheni.
Wa she.
Adwene ne adwuma.
Wa she.
Adwene ne nka.
But me insro.
Ghana for na a mistake. We are Ghana na tie me. Madika ka cho say ya to the be MPP NDC sem na bono hin na bono hey. Pause.
Hey, Yera Mahama.
Unimia na unime. Unimia na unime.
Mahama.
Dia meka.
Mahama.
Sani etie sa pepepe na meka no.
Mahama. What the yaka?
Without fear, Fresara no mama no hwehwe baby. Without fear or favor.
Tumpan.
Dia meka na meka.
Ne ka na da ho no.
BOG dia na wotwe ye bai.
Akraba no kan ko si.
Na wotwe ya anti LGBTQ+.
Hey.
Bill by 2024. No mu jina mampanyi na nado konso se unsan. John Mahama ba. Communion akokraba wa mene no. Eno ana me pesa me mini bie. Ye boni be na wo mu. Roman suffer wo check communion. Tie Roman suffer me pe practical things. Me pe se me kan na wo tie ase. Roman suffer jina so da mu wo check communion. My master servant pay bin kanchre.
But me insro so.
Me ko St James.
My bin the ho clear man no nsa.
Seminarian.
My bin the ho clear man no nsa.
Na ya cheche communion jai sa jingle. Ya cheche communion. Na wa mo bi e bi eduru me so ase hey communion we dey me fa ma ho. Wa. No bi na me di.
But me insro so.
Anti LGBTQ+. Bill na mo de kwama amampanyi na nado no. Eno an ye pe. Mon san fa ko amampanyi John Dramani Mahama mu dwane. Ana ncha mu dwane.
Wa she.
Na what the bill koma mampanyi ni se won san na meye mbra na mbra ni sin ebetimi aka it becomes a lame duck.
Omo de oma bon na ye kasa omo nt no.
Ya samra ba mbra ni nya dwuma. Ne en samra wo Ghana na mbra ni nya dwuma ne yakwa na se ba so man.
But me insro so.
Enti katra Mahama yarega katra no majority leader. He is the leader
Mahama
of government business.
Mahama.
Katra so on sanko mampanyi John Dramani Mahama. Hey Ghana for ache no.
Anabu jo mama.
Nka wo wia Ghana for ache no. Enti di omututu free mu no. Omo fan hihye mu na omo san fan kɔ na wo nsan.
What the yaka? Shune. Now the Ghana go reality wo.
Agraba na watching sansemi bae ensem ben bi obobo ne nko dan bi o na bae time ben
Me need time to waste. Me need time to waste.
na watching jayempon ye
Me need time to waste.
me ba to na watching petrobo hey bram
Hey, President Mahama.
Asat 2024 December 6 na petrol ni gina 13-14 Ghana cedis yen no 2 years yen call baby ya. And there at the pump station, filling station, petrol boy 15 Ghana cedis, 20 pesos.
Hey!
Under NDC, under John Dramani Mahama.
Hey!
inflation 3%, 3.7%, 3.6%. Dollar to CD 11 Ghana cedis.
You can't we also be reset your mind.
At that time, dollar to CD 14 Ghana cedis.
You can't we also be reset
2024, man paying another tiso. Inflation then I'm 24%. And then assessa, then assessa. Brana economic indicators in the show say, and one my negative. I show red. Now who told room?
You can't we also be reset your mind.
Near Tadie, ye ton adie. Se si amusi bibia okay no, yen tadie. Yen ton adie.
Chenia kasa.
Karate tree no. Yen ton adie, yen tadie.
Sure.
Deɛ wɔn tɔn no deɛ wɔn bɛtɔ no wɔn sika wɔn ntumi ntɔ.
Hey.
Under John Dramani Mahama.
You can't we also be reset your mind. Who be reset your mind now? They are dear.
Near Kranas by.
Hey.
Flood as a minka.
Way.
Flood as him. Will be any.
Mahama.
And so here a yami a buying. Tiawa. Baby, I ain't see dying. Makusi dying. And so Nakwa and call. Yen to border and Gugatum. Now was swa quabrania swa border. Nitisu gatam say bram.
Who say now the year at Bama?
Yami and Fi.
Hey.
Member some abu bomb potamu bi.
Who can we know one chassis?
Akaba won nante ho a wo rebeho. Na nipa na wo to border ni nsuo fin agu no. Wono an mpumachi no asen akoto agu nam say badimfo.
Sure.
Badimfo.
Who can we know one chassis? There on headache.
Ebe breeding tontom.
Hey.
Baby a wote no tiki osum. One and tontom be yo. And two your mind na wo yo.
Who say now the year at Bama?
Maybe I charge on 057-777-1073, 057-777-1073, 059-415-7777. Then I could grab a dynamic consum, the Mampon class and Baba. Hello, good evening. Wouldn't be at here, free. Ebisu, Ebisu, Con.